Hello, Medicare Advantage Risk Adjustment Operators, Innovators, and Learners. Welcome to another episode of the Hughes Academy Risk Adjustment Made Easy, the Medicare Advantage Kind Learning Series. If today is your first time joining us, we want to say thank you and welcome for joining us. If you are a seasoned learner with us, we also want to say thank you and welcome. This month, we have been studying about dental submission, MA Encounter Data Dental, and we have been going through several lessons from the first week, second week, and third week. Today is the third week. We looked at the history of dental collection and we looked at some of our phase one work, and now we are getting deeper into phase two, which actually starts tomorrow per CMS's HPMS memo that came out last month. Today, we are looking at from phase one to phase two, how real reports arrive, and specifically, we are looking at MAO-001 dental file. So what is the MAO-001? The MAO-001 is the Encounter Data EDS report that tells the plan about duplicates. The MAO-001 report for the dental specifically is an adapted report that is reporting dental submissions duplicates. It identifies when submitted service line matches a previously accepted encounter in EDPS, showing duplicates. And it's also the same 200 position fixed width file layout as the professional, institutional, and DME versions. If you are already pulling MAO-001 reports, then you can also work with the MAO-001 dental file. It has three record types: the header, the detail, and the trailer. It is asterisk delimited as well, and there's one change in the positions repurposed from being a filler to carry the tooth number. This is per the HPMS memo released on April 3rd, 2026. The MAO-001 dental file structure, as I said earlier, header, detail, and trailer, is 200 positions, and the header starts with record type 0. So in the file, just like the other MAO-00 dash reports, you will see that if a row start with 0, there is a header. So you will see the report ID, report date, transaction date, submission interchange number. Position 106 to 108 has the record type. So institutional, professional, DME, now there is a dental added to know that this is specifically for dental. And then the submission, you see that it's either it's a test or it's for a prod. On the detail, it starts with record type 1, and you know that that is a detail, and many times you will have a header and you may have multiple details, and then you have a trailer, so you will have multiple of that. Contract ID, plan ID, encounter ICN, line number. The duplicate plan ID will also show up there. A beneficiary ID, which is the MBI, and date of service and error code. Position 135 to 136 will have the tooth number, which is the addition to it. So keep note of that for the detail. Then on the trailer, the record type is 9. As I said, if there's a file like this, you have the 0, you have 111, multiple 111, then you have 9 header, detail, and trailer, and it shows the total duplicate lines rejected, total lines submitted, and total records submitted. So you are using that to cross-check the details as such. And where the tooth number lands on the report is in the detail record position 136. In the detail positions 134 to 136. Between 135, you will see the tooth number per CMS HPMS memo, the tooth number, which is two digits, and then you see the delimiters and you see the spaces. MAO-001 report is adapted to fit the dental, and that is where you see the difference. As CMS gave some example here, you will see here the dental position, and this is dental prod, and you see 0111 showing the header, the details, and here is a report format, and here is more of a computer readable format over here. This is one of the reports CMS is adapting from the regular EDS to the dental EDS, dental encounter data records submissions. And as you know, getting the dental, then you have to pull in differently because now it has the two numbers, but ultimately this is a report that shows duplicates. That is what we have for today. We will pause here for today and pick up next week as we look at the other report as we get into phase 2. If you are new to our channel and you are not subscribed to and you have not received your signature gift yet, you go to our website www.healsacademy.com and you will be able to get our signature gift for free, from Chaos to Clarity, the essential comparison cheat sheet on Medicare Advantage risk adjustment data sources. You get your copy for free. If this has been helpful, I will encourage you to subscribe, to like, to share with others. It helps you not to miss anything, and it helps us to reach a wider audience. Otherwise, we'll pick up next week as we look at part 2 of the reports that are coming in phase 2. Happy dental phase 2 reporting starting tomorrow, the 21st. Thank you and bye for now.